Hey everyone, my name is Alex Ryan. Thank you for dropping by. Let me ask you a quick question. Are you wanting to find the hottest products to import this year? If you're looking for products to sell, whether it's on your e-commerce store, your eBay store, maybe your Amazon or your Shopify store, are you in need of looking for the latest products to sell on those stores? If you are, and if you're interested even mildly about importing from China, thanks for dropping by. My name is Alex Ryan, author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. I've been teaching people how to import from China for over 10 years now. I've started over 30 different online businesses. I'm selling a completely different range of different products, different niches. And let me reveal one strategy right now. Whatever you decide to sell online, whether you're importing from China or whether you're selling on your Amazon or your Shopify store, whatever you decide to sell, it's got to be a hot product. Okay, it must be a hot product. And I think a lot of people make that mistake. They choose a niche that's so wide that there's a lot of competition. There's too much competition, and ultimately you end up losing a whole bunch of money because you're competing on price with your competitors. You do not want to be in one of those niches. So what I've put together, guys, is a free 10-part video program that kind of walks you through how to find hot products, how to launch a successful Amazon or Shopify store online, how to sell your products, but I also go into the depths of finding good suppliers, good quality suppliers overseas in China. I walk you through negotiation strategies for getting their best price and also free samples. I walk you through the shipping, how to ship them from China to your home country with minimum hassle. And ultimately, the storage, these days you don't need to have any storage at all. You can have Amazon, what we call fulfilled by Amazon or FBA. There's also other options out there called 3PL, third-party logistics. So I actually walk you through how to use those people to help you run your business and ultimately give you a business that is based on time freedom, where you're not locked down to your location or a specific place. You can actually be traveling the world and have the goods be stored in Amazon or 3PL, and they'll ship it out for you when orders come in. So this free 10-part video program is up right now. All you need to do is enter your details below and you'll get instant access to this. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm not too sure how long this is going to be up here for, but do enter your details now while you still can. This is a great video program. I've put a lot of effort, some quality information on here. I'll also give you some bonus reports, and I'll also give you if you're looking for product ideas, I'll give you a whole bunch of really cool product ideas that you can bring in right now. My name's Alex Ryan, guys. Again, I've been around for 10 years. I've written a lot of different books. I've been in a lot of different businesses, but by far the importing is one of the most fun businesses I've been into. It is a great business. I've traveled a lot overseas, and I meet a lot of clients, obviously, in the Canton and the China Import-Export Fair. Guangzhou is fantastic. Hong Kong. You guys can actually go out there and travel as well. Bring your family with you. Importing is a great business, and it's an old business. It's been around. It's not new. This isn't cryptocurrency or any of that rubbish. This business has been around for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years. The art of buying something cheap from China or from any country, buying something cheap and then selling it later on for profit. It's been around and will always be around. Importing from China is a great business, especially if you're just getting started. You'll learn a lot in this free 10-part video program. Again, guys, thanks for joining me here. I hope to see you on the webinar or on the free videos. Talk to you soon. Again, enter your details now, and I'll see you on the other side. Have an awesome day. See you later.